pictures today.
You could have stayed at home and watched this.
Oh,
Lemur.
We got monkeys at home.
hi. Look at it.
Look at him.
Mommy, this one's out the window. He's at the window. Go over here. He's at the window.
Is that the window?
Ow. He's at the window.
Oh, look at him.
Hello. Did you hear?
Yeah, that's one on the ground.
Look at me.
Look, Mommy, have your bird. They talk to you.
Look at him.
Row your boat.
He's like, what you guys doing? They talk. Oh, I'm in pain now. Hello.
Can you sing? Hello.
Oh my God.
How are you today? How is your day? Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Tell him I love you. All he said, all I was like, hello.
He's just saying, row, row, row your boat.
I'm gonna
Mommy,
go
that one's sticking the finger up. That one's sticking the finger up.
Look at him, he's so cute.
Hello.
He's just playing.
This one,
That
Oh,
one's
he said I
probably shy.
love you.
Mommy.
This one's probably shy.
Wait a minute.
Where's Jackie? Hello. He keeps on saying hello. Hello.
Is that a gator?
Hi.
It's my world.
I ate your friend.
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
I
All right,
ate
now
your
let's go look at
friend.
the turtle over here.
He's really good.
Hello. Hello.
I'm coming.
Look
at these.
Why is there a monkey in here too?
Hello.
Oh shoot, I gotta try one of these.
Mom, there's an anaconda over there.
There's two of them. There's one of there's like
Oh my
human.
God, there's redfoot tortoise.
Look up 5 of these.
That's a Russian.
Yeah, there's
Mom, look up.
Turtle.
Look up.
Back here in the corner.
Oh my gosh, wait.
Look up. Hello. I didn't even know there was monkeys.
Oh, I didn't think a redfoot Russian could get that big.
Look, he's looking down on us.
Oh,
Look back down. How many?
they're so cute.
Oh, Mom, look, it's little Ralphie's. It's little Ralphie's.
I know, redfoot tortoises.
That one's stuck. That one's stuck.
That's a Russian tortoise.
Hello.
You see how big he is?
Mm-hmm.
I did not think a Russian tortoise would get that big. How big he is. Oh my God.
He's moving.
Yeah, he is. There's another Russian over there too.
Russian or?
There's a Russian and then there's a redfoot. Oh, I miss my tortoises.
Hello. Hello. Mom, I said come here.
Marco.
Look.
Oh, he's dancing.
Marco.
Dances. Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Hi.
Look at the head.
Oh, I want one.
He's just like, I'm dancing.
Oh. He said, come back. Oh, snakes. Oh, there's hedgehogs.
The Roadrunner's top speed is 40 miles an hour, while a Coyote's release speed is 43 miles per hour. My whole child hooked with a big line.
There's hedgehogs.
Mouse and play.
Oh. Oh wow, I guess that's his egg. Wow. What is he? He is a ball python? No. I guess, no, that's not a ball python. I don't see anything in there. So our adventures today, guys, is the zoo. And it's in Sevier County in Pigeon Forge.
A bear. Oh, there's a snake. There's a huge. Mia, there's a bigger one over here. There's a bigger one over here. I'm looking. What's in there?
Oh, look at
Oh, look at
him.
this egg. Look at this.
He's like white and brown.
Hey, Cat, wherever you're from.
This is a California king snake.
Oh, what's in here?
Wow.
Hedgehogs. Mommy, hedgehogs.
I know, I seen him.
What's in this? Right here. A lizard. Legless lizard. Look at this snake. It's a white snake. There's a bear in this one. He's up there.
Oh, look at him.
It's a goddamn bear.
He's not a bear.
He's lonely.
It's a,
They feed him eggs.
oh, here he is.
Oh, yep, he's a bear. He's a freaking
There's a
baby
California king snake.
bear.
This is what he is right here.
He's a baby
I
bear.
don't know how you pronounce that name.
Oh my god, you're adorable. It's a baby bear.
Look
I
at
have
him.
never seen this before.
I gotta eat one of you guys now, huh?
Where's he going?
He's trying to get out. He's trying to get out.
Look at the little bear, Mom.
Why doesn't he have water? Where's his water?
I don't
source?
know.
Over there.
Oh, there's one of those over there. It's so cool. Mommy, what's right here?
Hi, come down.
Mom! It's a boa.
I told you.
They get huge.
Nothing.
Oh, what the world is that?
What is it?
What kind
frog.
of
It's a
frog
frog.
is that? What kind of frog is that?
Oh, those are my favorite. There's a bullfrog or a big frog right there. That's the.
Oh, that would
the
be.
cane.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, look at him.
That would be some nice legs right there. Imagine eating him.
Oh my god. Mommy, it's my monitor.
Oh, yeah.
I would eat him right now.
They get gigantic.
I want to eat him.
There's baby. There's babies. Mommy. There's babies.
Oh, look at the baby.
There's droplings.
Look at these ones. Look at these babies. Oh, they're big now. Mama said.
Oh.
No, this is 1 to 5 days
She must
old.
be tired. Look at all
6
these
to
babies.
11 days old.
Look at all these ones. Look at these babies. She's
Her mama's tired.
That says 10, 12 to 18 days.
That girl must be tired. Oh my god.
This is amazing. So, at the rainforest, they have
Oh,
like days,
mommy.
and then what the babies will look like.
There's one in
This is pretty neat. And then what the babies would look like.
Upside down. Mom. 12 to 18.
And then what the babies would look like.
And then 19 and on.
And then 19 days. What
Oh,
the
that
babies
mama
would
in the
look
back.
like.
Look,
Mom is so stressed out right now.
there's ferrets. And there's one behind the,
Yeah, if you
box.
squat down, you can see one behind
Oh
there.
my gosh, my favorite spirit animal. Oh, he's back there.
I like that
Look
one.
at him
I like
sleeping.
the white one.
Here, look at these babies.
There's nothing in there.
Look at these babies. There's one feeding. There's one down there and there's one
There's
there.
2 of them down there, actually.
Yo, he's eating himself.
Mommy! Look at the little one!
Oh.
The mom's back there, though.
There's one back here with the white one. There's a
so cute.
Oh, Mom, look.
What's back there?
Mommy, it's down. Mommy, it's down.
Hi. Hi. Oh, I want one. He's down.
Look, it's your way.
Oh wow, look at him.
It's a bear cat.
What is? Nuh-uh.
Oh, look at him. This is really cool. What? You don't like it?
Mommy,
Oh.
he's trying to climb out. They can get out. Hello.
Oh, he's climbing. Hi. I love you.
Hello.
Hello.
I love you. Hello. Hi. Hi.
So I'm back to the birds, guys. Love the birds.
Hello.
Ah,
What's that
they're
left
so
one?
cute. This place is very, very interesting. I love these guys. Did you guys see him? Or these guys?
Yeah, we saw them. Yeah, one jumped over here and showed Dad his butt. Yeah, there's a baby mouse. There's a baby mouse in here.
That might be what they eat.
No, they eat that. There's a baby mouse running around.
Oh.
It's probably in the back.
All right, let's go see what's around this corner.
Look right there. It's right.
I know, I seen him.
He's looking down at us.
This gator's pretty cool.
I want to eat him. No, Mom, she's talking. I love you.
He's just sitting there.
I know, I want one.
I love you.
You can't even tell if he's alive or he's not.
Mommy, what is he doing? I love you.
His cage looks amazing.
What is he doing? What is that?
I don't know. Because there's a monkey in there.
Oh, wow.
There's 2 monkeys in there.
Mia!
What?
Looks like a big rat.
What is that?
He's very
Yeah, we seen him.
Food.
Mia, what the heck is that thing, Mia?
Oh, it's right here.
He's burying his food.
Agut.
Oh my God, look
It's
at
an
this.
agut. Mom,
Hi.
that's an agut.
All right, all right.
That's
Calm
an
down.
agut.
There's little baby monkeys over there. I would love to have that thing on that thing.
There's a baby monkey.
All right, everyone. So we are going to finish out our tour through the zoo. I hope you guys enjoyed some of the animals. Catch us back in a few. I hope everyone has a good day.
Look at the one.